video. This isn't real life.
Hold on, I need to turn on the light.
No, don't put the lights. Yeah, I got it because I can't see you in the video.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Come on.
What in 2
and 6 and 11.
You're running a mile right now.
Get up. Jog, 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 jog.
Oh,
my marathon. Oh, just tripped over. Stop.
So now she has to swim.
Is this real life? No, it's not.
Oh, wait.
My titties are falling out of my boobs.
Marisa!
Just keep your shirt on.
Okay, girls going wild! Wait, hold on, I have a phone call. Hold on. Where's my phone?
I have a phone call. Where's my